You work 40 hours a week, maybe more. You pay the bills, you try to manage the essentials, but every month ends the same way, with a banking app showing a balance that has dwindled to nearly zero. It's a common belief that a higher salary or a sudden promotion would fix this, but thousands of people earning six figures live paycheck to paycheck because their cash flow evaporates as quickly as it arrives. The drain is caused by 11 specific behaviors that most people never notice. These are the silent habits that prioritize immediate comfort over long-term security. To reverse the trend, we have to look directly at these habits. We aren't looking for a raise. We are looking for the 11 leaks that prevent you from ever actually building wealth. In a digital economy, spending is effortless. Money disappears through a series of microtransactions designed to be as fast and invisible as possible. This leads to habit number 1, spending before earning. When you plan how to use a paycheck that hasn't hit your account yet, you are operating from a psychological deficit before you even start the month. This is worsened by habit number 2, ignoring your expenses, and habit number 5, impulse buying. Without tracking your numbers, that buy now button becomes an enemy that drains your capital one small purchase at a time. If you cannot manage $10, you cannot manage 10,000. Failing to control these small daily transactions ensures that no amount of income will ever be enough. Beyond the daily transactions, there is a massive drain caused by social expectations. We live in a culture that rewards the appearance of success over the reality of it. This brings us to habit number 3, living for appearances, and habit number 10, comparing yourself to others. When you fund a lifestyle to match someone else's highlight reel, you are essentially paying to stay broke. To keep up the facade, many fall into habit number 8, using credit like free money. It provides an immediate sense of purchasing power, but it's actually a high-interest trap that steals from your future self. Banks profit when you prioritize the temporary feeling of looking rich over the actual security of having a positive net worth. Even with disciplined spending, your financial foundation will fail if the underlying mechanics are broken. Habit 4, not saving first. Paying everyone else leaves savings at zero. This leads to habit 9, no emergency fund. One unexpected bill makes your life shake. This is compounded by habit 6, relying on one income source. If severed, the structure collapses. Without structural defenses like automated savings and multiple income streams, you are constantly one bad week away from a crisis. The final barriers aren't in your bank account. They are in how you choose to spend your time and attention. Habit number 7 is avoiding financial education. Many people treat money as too complex to understand, but staying ignorant guarantees that you will stay stagnant. If you don't learn how money works, it will never work for you. Finally, habit number 11 is waiting for the perfect time. This is a form of paralysis where people delay investing or budgeting until their life feels settled. There is no perfect time. Every day spent waiting for the right conditions is a day you are actively choosing to remain in the same financial position. Wealthy people follow a specific set of rules. They prioritize asset accumulation over lifestyle display and defensive structures over immediate consumption. Changing your financial trajectory requires more than just a higher income. It requires the intentional dismantling of these 11 habits. It means tracking every dollar and refusing to buy things to impress people. Your current balance is just a data point. What matters is the shift in behavior starting today. Start broke, but start now. You've seen the list. Now you have to be accountable. Tell me in the comments, which one of these